How you going, everyone? We've decided to continue on with the channel. We were going to end up stopping it, but after a lot of discussion and talking, we decided to go on to another path, another adventure, and keep this channel going. It's been extremely hard because all of our funding comes from us personally. We don't have any backing or anything like that. It comes from our jobs and what we do. We try to do everything on a budget where everyone can come along the journey with us and see that they can do what we are doing and go ahead and have a life that they want, or their dream four-wheel drive or car, on a simple budget and struggle through. We got an exciting series coming up that we're going to be doing. We're going to be doing a build series. When we end up doing that, it's going to be quite long and arduous task to do because of the funding side of things, but we're going to get it done and show everyone that you can do it on a budget. It's just going to take a lot of time. Sorry for not releasing videos over the past few months, but as previously said, we were going to just shut everything down and stop because it was becoming too much of a burden, not just financially, mentally as well, to continue on. But we're going to keep it going and struggle through it. We've never been ones to just stop and quit. It's been a very hard time for us to continue this, especially through COVID and everything else that's gone on over the past couple of years. But keep tuned for the up and coming build series that we've got. We're going to be changing the direction of what we're doing on the channel, and we're going to go more of the touring. That's why the build series, because I can't trust that ZD30 engine for the life of me. Had that many electrical issues and problems and everything else with it that I've had to rectify and fix along the way behind the scenes, and all the money that's just come out of my pocket. I still have holes in my pocket, by the way, guys. It's burnt massive ones in my pocket. But we're going to continue on the build series. What I've done with that is I actually went out and got finance for a car to be able to do this build series. So yet again, like I said, it all comes from our personal funding, so it's very hard. It's going to be long and arduous, so please bear with us. And if you could help us out by hitting that subscribe button, that notification bell, hit up the comment section down below, hit up on the comment sections on everything you can, because we'd love to hear more from yous and get more involved with yous guys out there and everyone that watches our channels. Please share with your friends, get us out there, help us grow into what we need to be able to start releasing these videos more frequently. We would still try to do everything on a budget, even if working with a company. We don't want to do things that no one out there can ever afford, unless you've got millions of dollars lying in your bank account. That is not what we're about. We're about helping you do DIY mods, helping you do everything to the financial ability of what you've got. We aren't going to go out there and buy Red Arc products and deck everything out with Red Arc. That is definitely not us. I find Red Arc products to be overpriced anyway, so why the hell would I ever put that in my car and go above what everyone else out there, ordinary Aussies, everyone in the world can afford, because that's definitely not what our channel was ever meant to be. It was meant to be to help everyone out there have their dream car, have everything that they want on their budget, and help them see that you don't need to go out there and buy high dollar products to get everything done. We want to open up that avenue to go backwards and forwards and do more of these one-on-one talks and chats and respond to you more personally and get more involved with the community out there. Not just do what we think you guys want to see. We want to do what you want to see, what mods help you out the best way that we can, and we want to help build your projects at home to the best of your capabilities. Even if you want to hit us up with something you're having trouble with, if we can help you out in the comments or do a little DIY video on it, even if that means that I've got to pull something out of my car and put it back in to do that DIY video for you, I'm more than willing to do that. And that does mean I'll remove all the wiring and start from scratch and go right through it for everyone to see how it's done and what needs to be done for that mod. We're not those type of channels that are going to go, oh, we've already got this mod, this is how we went about it. No, I'm willing to rip it right out of the car and do it all over again, just to put that video out there if that's what you want to see. So keep that in mind. Hit up the comment section down below, let us know. And as you can see by my breath, it's freezing out at the moment where we are, but we decided to get this video out and speak to everyone out there and let everyone know what's going on. And at the moment I want to get moving because I'm freezing. As you can hear from my voice, I'm starting to get little chitters and chatters in my voice, but hopefully everyone out there can get their projects done. And always, as remember, storm out and have an epic adventure.